Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Today, we Uyghurs gathered in front of China's embassy. 2009, 5th July, the Chinese government killed thousands of Uyghur protesters because they are request from the Chinese, their rights from the Chinese government. But instead, listen to them, the Chinese government killed more than 1,000 Uyghurs in a day and arrested more than 10,000 Uyghurs. Also, yesterday we heard some news that around 50 Uyghur students have been arrested by Egyptian authorities because they are Uyghur. The Uyghur students came to Egypt to Al-Azhar University and Al-Fajr Institute, want to study Arabic and Islam. Because they get legal visa from the Chinese government, and they have also a legal official Chinese passport. They came to Egypt for permission of Egyptian government. Because Egyptian government is say the people this is a Muslim government, a Muslim country, for example. But today, the Uyghur people in East Turkestan, we don't have any rights to study Islam except one of two, which was carried out by the Chinese government. That's why the Uyghur students came to Middle East like Egypt to study Islam. But the Chinese government blocked the Uyghur students learn Islam also in Islamic Muslim country, just as like in Egypt. So yesterday we had contacted students in Egypt and we asked them what happened to you. The Egyptian police, they search house by house and the Uyghur restaurants and asked them, are you Uyghur from East Turkestan or so-called Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region of China? If the students said, yes, I am, and they arrested them and put them in jail, we don't know where are they. And for example, if they said, no, I'm from Central Asia, Kazakhstan or Kyrgyzstan, the Egyptian police say to them, okay, let me check your passport, something like this. People cannot hide their identity today. Today, we are standing in front of China's embassy. Today, I would like to here address my Muslim brothers and sisters in Islam. We are Muslim. Where you brotherhood? The Uyghur Muslim arrested by the Chinese authorities, because Egyptian government, both the Chinese government, where are the ulama of Islam? Where are the Muslim Scholar Union? The Uyghurs in East Turkestan, the systematically genocide by the Chinese government. We don't have any rights to learn Islam in East Turkestan, except one of two. We don't have any rights to fast Ramadan. We don't have any rights to grow as a bird, and we don't have any rights to to study Islamic school. The Uyghur schools is so difficult to come to Middle East like Egyptian country. Want to study Islam. Why don't you defend your brothers and sisters in Islam? Why? Because we are a Muslim, we are a brother in Islam. Today, if you not stand your Muslim brothers, when do you want to stand? Today, I would like to address the scholars of Islam. It's your duty. It's your duty to talk about the Uyghur Muslim, the Muslim situation in East Turkestan. Yes, if you today search in Google, you can find East Turkestan. Only find so-called Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region of China. Xinjiang means new land, new territory, which has been occupied by Communist China 1949. After occupation, the Chinese government changed its name. I'm very sorry, brothers, today because we are so frustrated. Because, for example, today any Muslim that happened, or Europe, or for example Palestine, or anywhere else, the Muslims stand up, tweet, and talk about the Muslim plight there. When it comes to Uyghur Muslim in Turkestan, why do you stay so silent? Why do you stay so silent, brothers and sisters? How you can answer in front of Allah on the day of judgment, brother? Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.